Welcome my dear kids. Myself Reena ma'am. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Children, you have learned numbers 1 to 10 in your previous session, right? So today we will do revision of that numbers. We will revise numbers 1 to 10 with counting. Children, will you count with me? Yes. So let's start. मुझे तो काउंटिंग करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. क्या आपको भी अच्छा लगता है? Yes. So let's have fun together. We will say the number and count the objects. Okay, children?
Here we have flashcards of number 1 to 10 and some chocolates. We will say out the number one by one and keep the chocolate according to their number.
This is number 1. So, we will keep 1 chocolate. This is number 2. So, we will put 2 chocolates. 1, 2. This is number 3. So, we will keep 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. So, we will keep 4 chocolates. Children, count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is number 5. So we will keep 5 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chocolates. This is number 6. So we will put 6 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chocolate. There are 6 chocolates. This is number 7. So we will keep 7 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 number, 7 chocolate. This is number 8. So we will keep 8 chocolates here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 chocolates. This is number 9. So we will keep 9 chocolates here. Children, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 chocolates. 9 number, 9 chocolates. This is number 10. So, we will keep 10 chocolates here. Okay, children? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 number, 10 chocolates.
See children, we have put all the chocolates according to their number flashcards.
बच्चों मजा आया ना? तो आप भी ऐसे ही घर पे रिवीजन करना, ओके? Now it is worksheet time. I will give you 2 worksheets for your practice work.
This is your first worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to join the number dots and make a beautiful picture. Then color it nicely. You can do this worksheet in your maths classwork book, page number 49. This is your second worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to count and match. See children, one is done for you. Like this, you have to count the objects in each basket and match according to their numbers. You can do this worksheet in your maths classwork book, page number 50. We will solve these worksheets in next session.
Bye bye children. Take care.